So everyone's talking about using AI for content, right? But let's be real. Trying to scale it is a massive headache. You want to post more, but you don't want to spend your entire day prompting and editing just to get something decent. What if you could put your blogging on true autopilot and actually have it sound good?
I mean, this is the holy grail for pretty much any creator. Just imagine flipping a switch and getting high-quality blog posts that sound like they genuinely came from you. We're not talking about that generic, robotic AI speak we've all seen, but your unique style, your tone, your personality all baked right in.
Well, that's exactly the promise behind a new platform that's really trying to reimagine AI blogging from the ground up. It's moving beyond just simple content generation and into the realm of full, hands-off automation.
And here's the star of the show, BlogBaser. Its mission is actually pretty simple, but it's incredibly powerful. It's designed to be this all-in-one platform that handles everything, from generating SEO-optimized content in your specific voice, all the way to automatically posting it on a schedule you set. Think of it as your own personal, automated content machine.
But before we even dive into the AI writing engine, BlogBaser tackles something else that's super important: style. Because, it's not just about what you say, it's about how your blog actually looks and feels to the people reading it.
So instead of just some generic one-size-fits-all theme, you get a whole bunch of professional layouts right out of the box. So whether you want that super clean, minimalist look, a classic blog feel, or maybe a grid-style layout for affiliate products, it's all just a click away. And for every single one of those layouts, you get the simple but honestly crucial choice between a classic light mode or a sleek, modern dark mode. It might seem like a small detail, but it makes a huge difference for the reader experience.
All right, so the aesthetics are covered. Let's get to the real core of this thing, the AI writing engine, because this is where the magic really happens. We've all seen it, right? That generic AI content. It's just bland. It's soulless, and it just screams written by a bot. The biggest hurdle has always been getting AI to capture a specific human voice, your voice.
So how does BlogBaser crack this code? It's a surprisingly simple three-step process. First, you just feed it your existing content, URLs to your old blog posts, text files, whatever you've written. The AI then basically acts like a detective, analyzing your unique style, your tone, your phrasing, and finally, boom, it creates this unique voice profile, which is basically a reusable style guide it can apply to any new content it writes for you.
And the result is, apparently, uncanny. This quote right here from the source video just perfectly captures that wow moment when you see something the AI generated and it genuinely sounds like you wrote it yourself. It's that feeling of the AI finally getting you.
And what's really cool is how flexible it is with sources. You can drop in a YouTube link, an article, a PDF, pretty much any piece of content, and just tell the AI to turn it into a blog post, in your voice. You can even add little instructions like, hey, make this funny, to tweak the output. Okay, so you've cloned your voice, and you have this engine that can create authentic content. The next logical step, and this is where it gets really powerful, is putting the entire system on autopilot. This is the true set it and forget it part. You can create a campaign, point the AI to your sources, and then just schedule it to automatically generate and publish posts for you. I mean, imagine setting up an entire month's worth of content in one sitting, and then just letting it run in the background. That's what the auto poster does. But true automation isn't just about blindly publishing whatever the AI spits out. You still want to be able to refine things and perfect the output. So what happens after the AI generates that first draft? Well, that's where this Sparkle button comes in. It's a set of one-click AI tools right inside the editor. With just a single click, you can tell it to optimize for SEO, expand a section, shorten it, or even reapply your custom writing style to a specific paragraph. It's basically like having an AI co-editor right there with you. Now, everything we've talked about so far, the voice cloning, the source flexibility, the automation, it all kind of culminates in what might be the platform's single most powerful feature, especially if you're trying to monetize your blog.
Oh man, if you've ever tried affiliate marketing, you know the pain. Writing just one high-quality product review is so time-consuming. You're gathering research, structuring the post, finding all the specs. It can literally take days of work. BlogBaser's affiliate writer completely flips that process on its head. You just feed it the sources, the product page, a few YouTube reviews, other articles, then you pick a professional layout, then you hit generate, and the AI does all the heavy lifting, writing a really comprehensive review based on everything you gave it.
But wait,
It gets even better. You can add a second product, and the AI automatically understands you want a comparison. It then generates a detailed versus article, pitting the two against each other. This is a massive time saver for creating a type of content that audiences absolutely love.
And this quote from the source really just says it all. The ability to generate a super complex piece of content like a detailed affiliate review in just a few minutes is, well, it's insane. It's a complete game changer for content marketers.
So, to just boil it all down, BlogBaser's main advantages are these. It clones your unique writing voice. It can turn pretty much any content into a blog post. It automates your posting schedule. And it builds these complex affiliate reviews in minutes.
And all of this leads to a really fascinating final question. As tools like this start to handle all the heavy lifting, the actual mechanics of writing, what does the creator's role become? Maybe we're shifting from being pure writers to becoming more like editors, strategists, and curators of ideas. It's a pretty profound shift to think about.